Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this company and brand, the name of this French manufacturer of fine crystal located in the town it is named after in France. How do you say this? For reference, in France, in French it is said as Baccarat, Baccarat. Because it is French, the T at the end is silent, it's the last letter, so we just ignore it. Baccarat. Now in English, this is generally said as Baccarat, Baccarat, or Baccarat in American English. From French, Baccarat. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting luxury brands, brands from France, fashion, design, etc., whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.